Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to install a lace wig. For starters, if you would like to see how I created this ball cap method, I will leave the link down below in the description box and you can check that video out as well. Right now I'm cleaning my client's hairline with 99% alcohol, then I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Walker's Tape Scalp Protector and spread it across her hairline. Now let's talk about this lace wig here. This is a 16-inch body wave wig which was purchased from my company, and off camera I did go ahead and bleach the knots, and I used the Taylor Crown's lace tint in the color dark brown to spray on the inside of her lace. If you would like details on this wig and where to purchase it, I will leave that also down in the description box as well. Now let's talk about how good this wig looks already, and it hasn't even been installed yet. Very natural, very pretty. You can tell it's a good grade and texture of hair. And I just want to say that it is very important to purchase quality hair, especially when you want to see flawless results. Now the glue I'm using today is the GHOSTBOND, and I will be using 3 layers of this glue. Just a reminder that you can use up to 5 layers, but I'm only going to show you one in this video, and then I'm going to proceed with the next step. Your third layer turns clear, you can go ahead and begin to pull that lace down into the glue. And just a little tip I like to use, I always start by pulling the middle down in place, and I kind of like apply pressure for at least 5 to 10 seconds, and then I proceed with pulling down the left side of the head, and then I pull down the right side of the head. And you also want to have your client hold that lace in place so you can proceed with blow drying that lace down to cause the melting effect. Another thing I like to do is use my comb, actually comb that hair out as I'm blow drying it as well, and that also helps with melting the lace down. Look how good this lace looks already, and I haven't even cut it off yet, but you can tell it's going to look very flawless. Now let's get into the actual cutting of this lace. You want to make sure that you are cutting off the lace in a zigzag motion. You do not want to go straight across, and that will prevent it from looking very wiggish. So do cut in a zigzag motion. After cutting off all the layers, you can go ahead and apply glue to places that are still lifting a little bit, and you can apply 2 layers just to tack those corners down. Once you have everything glued down, you could go ahead and wrap up the edges with a wrapping paper or a silk scarf if you have one. Either one will work, it'll be fine. Just tie that down and let that lace just melt for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, go ahead and remove that wrap, and you'll be able to see how flawless and how melted this hair is. I am going to insert a little video to show you how lovely it looks. When I say quality matters, guys, I really mean that quality matters. Now I'm just going to zoom in and show you guys how good this lace looks. OMG, I'm so in love. It is not even done. And this is why quality matters, guys. You have to want to pay for quality hair because it makes a major difference. So moving along, now I'm using my Glam Wax Stick, and I'm using this to hot comb her hair out just to get the roots really straight. As you guys can see, this is looking like a fresh relaxer. It's looking very smooth, very shiny, and very neat. So I'm not going to show the whole styling process in this video. I'm just going to give you little clips of what I'm doing. And if you want to see my cut and curl technique, I will leave that link to that video also down in the description box, and you guys can check that out. But just stay tuned and stick around for the finishing look and let me know what you think about it. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. And thank you once again for tuning in to I Am Beautiful Hustler channel.